welcome to another episode of Cooking with Kid Joy. On today's episode, we'll be making a pulled barbecue chicken sandwich. Let's get started. First, we're going to season the chicken.
Rub it in.
Yep.
Dry hand, wet hand.
Now we do the other side. Now we're gonna sear it. Put it open here.
That's good.
Okay. Bien. Now let's do the other one. Now we flip the chicken. Now we flip the other one. Now we're gonna pour the water. Vinegar and lemon. Brown sugar. Hold up. And apple juice.
That's the freshly squeezed apple juice.
Yeah. And now, last but not least, pepper and salt.
All right, we're gonna stir that around and cover it.
So we stir it around. Now we're gonna cover it. Now we're gonna make our homemade barbecue sauce. Always start with the base.
What is that?
Ketchup.
Tell the fans what it is.
It is ketchup. Make sure to put it in the middle. Next, we have brown sugar. Now we're gonna add some steak sauce to it. And then we have some jelly.
Yep, grape jelly.
Grape jelly. I like grape jelly. Now we add some honey. Then we add some seasoning to it.
Just dump it. Just dump it.
Oh. And then, no, fine, but now.
What is that?
Mustard!
Spicy mustard. There you go. Dump that in there.
Why is it called spicy mustard?
Because it's spicy.
Oh, no.
Now you gotta stir that around.
Stir it with our... Oh, I forgot what it was called. What was it called, Dad?
It's a whisk.
A whisk. So our barbecue sauce is ready. Now let's add it to the chicken. So my dad added barbecue sauce to the chicken. Now it's time to pull it. So here's our pulled barbecue chicken sandwich. Now I'm ready to eat. So leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!